Hey everyone, this is Pila here coming to you from pilagap.com. Happy Tuesday! Happy Tuesday. How is everyone doing today? If you're watching this live, say hello. If you're watching this on replay, put hashtag replay down below. Hey Margot, how are you doing? So today is Tuesday in Canada here. The kids are back to school. Yay! If you're a mom and if you're excited that your kids are back to school, put your favorite emoji below. Hey Erica. So I'm here with a super quick Tuesday, any weekday hair tutorial. I'm gonna make it super simple. Anyone can do it. Your hair can be quite a bit shorter than mine. It could be even up to your ears and you could still do it. So, hey Kendra. So, what do we wanna do? This is, I think, second day hair. I think it's a second day hair. So, what I like to start off with, because I'm bleaching my hair, my ends tend to get dry unless I revive them, sort of. So I love to use my favorite non-toxic leave-in conditioner, just a little squirt, and I like to run it through the ends before I do anything else. So just a quick refresh so that the ends are gonna be moisturized, they're gonna be soft. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this is a hairbrush and an elastic. Super high tech, you guys. Okay, so brush through your hair. You can part it whichever way you want. I kind of like it where it's parted right now. I don't know, I think it's, when I part it the other way, my hair almost feels funny. Like, I can't even explain it. So we're gonna do a 2 instead of 3-part braid. So instead of 3 pieces like the usual, we're gonna just choose 2. So you start with 2, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but you twist the 2, and then you grab from the bottom a little bit more hair, and then you grab just a little bit more from the top, and then you twist it again. It's gonna be super cute when I'm done. And more from the bottom, and more from the top again, and you twist it. You see how it's turning out? Okay, I super love this one. And it's so nice to do it, I don't know, I guess you could do it any day, but I like it on weekdays when I'm running around doing stuff. I live by the kind of close to the ocean, so it's really windy here this time of the year, so I like having the hair out of my eyes. So if you have tried anything like this, put the number 1 below. So 1 from top, 1 from the bottom, and keep twisting. You see what happens? Okay. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna finish it off here as well. Super fun and easy. Oh, my arm is getting sore. This is a workout, you guys. Okay, so you're gonna get everything off from the front of your ears. And then you wanna use one of these. But before I tighten it up too much, I'll do it a couple of times because it's a long one, but I'm actually gonna pull some of these guys out a little bit, just to make it look a little bit kind of looser and more natural. Just make it look bigger. Bigger that is better, right? So you see how I'm just pulling these pieces out to give it a little bit of a, almost like a lift. What do you guys think so far? If you love this, give me some hearts. Okay, you see this? I think I'm liking it. Okay, so you tighten this off, or you tie it off. There we go. So you're gonna have this little piece here. So next, I feel like I just wanna finish it off with some beachy waves all over. So part it in the back so that you have half and half. This again doesn't have to be perfect. So I have a preheated flat iron here going. You can use a curling iron as well. Oh my god, it's not preheated. Oh, I didn't press the button, you guys. Kendra, you know what? It just takes a little bit of practice. Like, just literally just give it a try. You may surprise yourself. So, okay. It takes just a couple of seconds to heat up. I can't believe I didn't press the button. I plugged it in. Oh my gosh. That's how well my brain functions after a long weekend. So, okay. while I'm on the topic, I love turning down my heat on my heat styling tools, especially using the amazing non-toxic hair care line that I love using for the past 3 years. Because it doesn't have silicones, I don't have buildup on my hair, hence I can turn down the heat on my styling tools. So I know people who are using the flat iron at like 450 degrees and it freaks me right out. It like bakes your hair. So I love using mine at 300 and it works just as well because I don't have all that buildup crap to work through. Okay, so we're just gonna do some super loose beachy waves to finish it off and then I'll show you the final result. Yeah, they don't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect, you know. Just be yourself, do what makes you happy. What's your guys' go-to hairstyle? Comment below. Do you just do like a top bun or a ponytail, or like what is your, when you just have to get out of the house or have to look kind of half decent, like what is your most common hairdo that you do? Beach waves, Kendra. Yes, I love beach waves. It feels like it's like that new thing. Like a couple of years ago, I don't remember people really doing this a lot. And then all of a sudden, it's like, even when you go on Instagram and look at all the hair pictures, everybody has beach waves. It's like, what's going on? But it's amazing. It looks so good on so many people, right? So we can finish this guy off here with a little bit of a twist as well. Big curls. Oh yes, I love big curls. Okay, so just a little bit like this on one side. And I'll do the other side as well to finish it off. So, I feel like I want to get myself prepped before I start working here at home today. My afternoon is gonna be nuts because my daughter has taekwondo. My son has air cadets. It's like, whoa. Hey, Isabel. Oops, apparently. Oh, crap, that was hot. Sorry, you guys. I'm not swearing. Okay, there we go. I just wanted the ends done a little bit. All right. Well, that's the thing, hey, Kendra. Like, we work from home, but there's still stuff that needs to be done. Like, we can't just sit down and start doing whatever we're doing. Okay, seriously, guys, I'm like, I don't know if I should look in a mirror or in the phone to get this done. All right. So, a couple more pieces and we're gonna be done. All right. It's that awkward silence. I'm so focused here right now. All right, but I will show you how I finish it all off because I do something once I'm done curling here. Right? That's the thing. It's like when we are put together, I don't know, I just feel like I can be even more productive because I feel good about myself. I don't know. My husband sometimes says, oh, when you're at home, why do you bother putting on makeup? It's because it makes me feel good. I don't know. So, a couple more. The last couple, I like to turn the waves or curls away from my face instead of towards my face. It looks really funny when things are curling towards your face. So don't do that. Men have it so easy. I know, unless they wear makeup. I know a few of those, so they take longer than me to get ready in the morning. And they do makeup better than I do. Oh, something to learn from them. Okay, so here we are. And so what I also love doing with mine, just to really loosen them up, is just to brush it through super quick. I'll let this side cool off just a little bit. It's still a little bit warm. But yeah, you can just gently brush through your curls, not the girls. And you have like this little Tuesday hairdo happening. And so what I love doing, because I did loosen this top part up, I know that if I would go outside then it's gonna be windy. It can get frizzy, so I love using my non-toxic, non-flammable hairspray just to set it off, or set it off, just to set it, set the style. Okay, and that's perfect. All right, you guys, here we are. Maybe I should put on some lipstick too, so I'm gonna look like extra awesome. Do I have anything here? No, it's in the other room. Oh well, we just moved to this house and I still can't find anything. So anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. What do you think about this one? Feel free to share it if you found any value in this, or if you have any friends who love to play with their hair. So anyway, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time. Bye, you guys.